What's up guys, Hooman here. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up, and in the comments below, tell me what you want to see in the next video. Click right here to subscribe to my channel. Right here guys, click right here.